Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 11, and today I will show you how we can copy your contacts from the device or from the SIM card to the device. Now, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. Now, as you will see, I already have contacts imported, but the process will still work. I'm gonna maybe remove one, or actually I can quickly remove all of them. That will simplify the things. So there we go. Now, there's two alternatives, or actually three. So if you have a Google account, you can obviously import your contacts to that Google account. They will then appear on any device that is also signed into this account. Then another option is that you can import your contacts to the device itself. And obviously, if you just want to use it from a SIM card, you can just switch it to show you contacts from the SIM card. This here allows you to simply swap between the different places where you have your contacts stored. Now, to import contacts from the SIM card to the device, all you need to do is navigate to Fix and Manage, Import from SIM. And by default, it will opt into a Google account if there is one signed in. Obviously, for me, there is. And as you can see, all these contacts are grayed out, deselected, and I can't select them. That's because these contacts already exist on my phone, or specifically on this Google account. But if I change it to the device instead, which you've seen me delete those contacts just so I can do this now, all of them are deselected, and I can, or selected, and I can deselect them if I don't want them, or specifically some contacts. And from there I can just tap import. Now it gives us this not very good option right here to remove the copy of contacts from your SIM card. I do not recommend doing so. The reason for, at least my logic for not doing it, is because they are not visible to you if they're on a SIM card, but the safety net, if something would happen to your phone, is that you still have those contacts stored on your SIM card. With this option, it just removes it for some reason, and you have no downside on like still having those contacts, so it's just redundant to remove them. So I'm going to select Keep. And now if we navigate back to Contacts, you can see we now can switch to the device, and this will show us these contacts on the device. And like I said, the contacts that are on the SIM card don't get in our way. We can view them if we want to by selecting the SIM card, but in any other circumstances we can just select any other field and it will not show the contacts from the SIM card. So obviously you cannot see them, and they don't annoy you, they don't duplicate your visible contacts, so obviously no downside to having them on your SIM card. But anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.